cost total?
300.
We're currently in the main control room for a carbon capture facility located in the Department of Chemical Engineering. This is actually part of an experiential learning program. As teams, they're going to be operating parts of the process.
Everybody is all hands on deck.
Yeah, when the alarms went off, everybody was looking at each other, wondering what went wrong.
Being a risk manager, it's always easier to say, okay, we need to make sure we have emergency response plan, we need to do A, B, C, D. But once you're actually in the position, you realize actually it's not that easy. You have to get over the panic mode.
So I'm going to scramble our local rescue teams. This is going to be a major press issue, so actually I'm going to need you to update Reuters what the current situation is.
You're getting calls, you're having somebody screaming down the phone, asking you what is going on, do you have the situation under control? That actually embeds the learning that you're having in class. Within the role play, you actually have a chance of observing how you respond to a crisis and how to deal with those crises. We talked about biases. How do you see the biases play a role in the decision making? Communication with a team. How was the communication within the team?
You have just turned the alarm off, but you didn't fix the problem. The problem is still there. They've lost a lot of money and they might be losing lives.
The key reason for the experiential learning is very different from just a series of PowerPoint slides. You understand some of those things in a much more unique way when you do things hands-on.
We actually did the lessons learned. What we didn't do as a group is that we didn't allocate who's going to do what are the roles and responsibilities. So when completing the task and when facing the emergencies, we didn't know what we're supposed to do as a team because kind of think, oh, other people might do it. So these kind of things you can only learn from being in the lab, being in the situation, rather than listening to PowerPoint.